Uba senchar kupar Iingdorbar thaba ubade UMLA Thymmai ka Sohiong constituency na ka party UDP haga khatnre tarik ujamang arajar arpulai ulabam Smai kum Dkhot Pura jang ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Hakani kasngi lepentian Smai UMLA Thymmai ka Sohiong da usembut lampang ka Iingdorbar Thawain ka Jylla utimathi di Shira ha assembly ka bedon ha khandai lat. Lasan ran UMLA ka Sohiong constituency da President rangba ka UDP uba met ba Iingdorbar ki MLA bat MDC ka UDP ki Menteri Sorkar ki bahiyeng asem bat kinong Krishan jong o. Hadin ka jing pentian Smai haba krench kilak pathai khobor uba senchar ulaong bakum UMLA Thymmai ka Sohiong uthrang bantrei na kabenta ka baha ka miat ka constituency bat ke imlang salang bat kumju ru banya kren ni ki mat ki bidon kam jong ki pat ba ka Jylla.
Mereka si bolong kapang mo. Nang ni sekemat sedang like what I've said, starts a new era. Sohiong constituency, and also I think a good thing, and with God's blessing to the people of the constituency and also for the state.
What do you, new era in what sense you can explain?
I didn't get you.
A new era in what sense?
New era means a new MLA of Sohiong constituency starts a new development, new ideas of bringing something new to the constituency and also adding a new brain to the assembly. Thank you.
You said earlier that you will be a lawmaker beyond the legislative task. So tell us what way.
I didn't say much about that, but being a legislator, you just come and sit in the assembly. I want to be a legislator who will speak in the assembly, which me speaking might be an addition or wake-up call to many other MLAs in the assembly.
There's a lot of unaccomplished work of your...
Starts from ground zero. He's done a lot for the constituency, and talking about myself, then I'll start everything from ground zero. Thank you.